Hello guys, welcome back to Kinso YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you have come to the right channel for your DIY tutorial. So this is the long awaited trendy jilbab tutorial. You can see how beautiful it's looking, even though I totally forgot to make a video of it after fixing the beads. But whichever way, it still looks beautiful, and believe me, you have a lot to learn in this tutorial, so do ensure to watch it till the end. And if this is your first time here, you have come to the right channel for your modest wear tutorials, so do ensure to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss out when we have new content for you. So let's get started. What you'll be needing for this tutorial is 3 yards of this fabric, but the ideal fabric to use is 3.5 yards. So let's make magic with 3 yards. I folded the whole of the fabric as seen, and the fabric is actually very lengthy. The length of the fabric as a whole is 68 inches, is 68 inches, and this is it right here. So I used my 120 inches tape measure to show you that. So right now I measured 58 inches, which is the full length of the hijab I'm working with. And like I said, I'm using 3 yards of fabric to make this jilbab, although the ideal fabric to use is 3.5 yards, but then let's make magic with 3 yards. So I connected the length of the gown as seen, and the next thing I did was to take the neck width measurement, which I measured 4.5 inches, and the neck depth I measured 3 inches and connected it. So when you measure it all round, you have 7 inches or 7.5 inches. It is stretchy. For those who have been familiar with the measurements, okay, we have 6.5 inches. I think the neck depth is 2.5 inches, while the shoulder measurement is 8 inches. So the hand length I'm working with for this jilbab is 23 inches. So what I did right here was to place the 23 inches at the point. Okay, it's 22 inches. I placed 22 inches at the point where the shoulder measurement stopped, and what I'll be needing for the band is 7 inches in order to achieve the neck and to the hand measurement. So for the sleeve width, I measured 12 inches as seen. I did the same thing on this side. Initially I wanted to change it to 10 inches, then I just decided to go with the 12 inches I had measured. So it all depends if you want it to have shape. So for the down part here, I measured 18 inches, but remember we are managing this fabric, and up here I measured 13 inches. We are managing this fabric, right? And it is actually stretchy, so I decided to change the down part of the gown right there. I changed it to 16 inches because we need the fabric on the side. What will be remaining on that side is what we'll be using to cut the mini hijab on the upper part, and we'll be using it to cut the sleeve that will be attached, the band that will be attached to the sleeve also. Here we show you everything. We show you everything just as it is. So I connected the measurement as seen, and then I cut it out. Remember, this fabric is very stretchy, right? So this is what you have after cutting. So among the fabric cut out on the sides, definitely one will be on fold and the other two wouldn't be on fold, they will be in pieces. So the particular one that is on fold is what I folded right here, as you can see, and that is what I'll be using to cut the mini hijab that will be attached to the body of the gown. And the length of this mini hijab right here, the width on fold is 14 inches, as you can see. Is 14 inches, while the depth which is the length of the mini hijab, is 17 inches. So it's 17 inches. You can make it 18 depending on how you want it. You can even make it less than that. So this is what we have. I mark the points where the, mind you, that down part is not straight, but I'm aware. So when making yours, you just have to be careful. So that is what we have, 17 inches. And that part, that upper part where my hand is right now, will be the upper part of the mini hijab. I measured 12 inches for the face circumference. I changed it to 12.5 inches. You know, the fabric is stretched. Even if you make it 12 inches or 11 inches, it will go, because there will definitely be excess that will be remaining. So down here I measured 12.5 inches. You can make it 13 inches as well, and I connected it as seen. So this is the upper part of the mini hijab, that point where I just make a cut and then I notch the center, while here is the down part. So right here we have 15 inches, as you can see, and then I cut it out. Remember what I said, we are making magic with 3 yards of this fabric to make this hijab. The ideal fabric to use is 3.5 inches or 4 yards even. So the mini hijab is ready. You can see how it is. Those who are used to this channel already know how we cut this by now, I believe. So this is what we have on the sleeve part of the part of the hijab where we'll be attaching the band. So what I'm showing you guys here is that you should take note of the lines on the gown. The band you'll be attaching has to align with the pattern on the body of the gown, so as to have a network that is for those who care. So anyone learning from Kinso, ensure you have to care about that and do it exactly how I did it. So you can see where the line is going, so your band as well has to go that way to make your work neat. And remember, the width is 12 inches. So I filmed all this part actually, but then I didn't know my phone was filled up and it wasn't filming, it wasn't recording. So this is what we have. The fabric we have remaining would cut one band that would align with the pattern on the gown, but it wouldn't be enough to cut the other one. So we cut it out and divided it into two, which means, and then I got another fabric to cut the inner part, which means the band will be having joining. So the part that align with the pattern on the gown would be the part that will be facing outside, and that is what we have right here. So this part facing up right here is what will be facing out when you are fixing it on your hijab. Please take note of this. If you are using 3 yards to make this hijab, you have to follow this exactly the way I am doing. And remember, the width of the sleeve is 7 inches while the length is 12 inches. And this is the closer view of the mini hijab as well. You can see the pattern on it, and you can see the hijab cap I cut for it. It is following the same pattern as well. You have to ensure to take note of things like this if you want to have a very neat work. So the length of the cap is 6.5 inches while the weight is 4.5 inches. And this is the hand sleeve for the hijab. I have a class on how to make hand sleeves, so if you are interested in that, do ensure to send me a DM or check the link in the description to have access to the class. So these are some of our online classes. If you'd like to learn more from us, do well to send us a DM or click on the link in the description for our online classes, and you can always have access to them. Once you make your payment, you'll be added to the class and you have access to the materials You have access to the material for as long as you want. So let's get sewing. So the first thing I did was to fix the hijab cap. So this is, I notched the upper part. Remember the upper part which I showed you when cutting. You sew it from the center to the end and from the center to the other end as well. If you find this tutorial helpful, do well to send us a like, gift, leave a comment, and tell your friends and loved ones about Kinso YouTube channel. I see you guys support and love, but a lot of you don't subscribe to the channel and it's really bad. We are still stuck at 8,000 plus followers, guys. So please support this channel. Don't just watch our videos and like them. The more you like our content, the more YouTube recommend them to people. So the next thing I did was to join the shoulders. I repeated the same thing for the other side as well. So guys, this is what we have. The next thing I did now was to notch the center of this neck circumference. So, and you know, we do not have front or back. We would have front or back after fixing the cap, the mini hijab. So I measured what we have on the neck circumference right there on the abaya with the down part of the mini hijab, and I take note of what was what the excess was, and I just sew it out. I didn't even know this part was not really showing well, so you guys should bear with me. And then I noted the face circumference that varies, so you have to work with your measurements in order to achieve that part. So now I turn the mini hijab to the right side, and then I insert it inside the gown, placing the part where the joining is on the notched part of the gown. Please take note of this, not on the shoulder part, on the part where I notched on the body of the gown. And then I sew it all around. After doing this, the next thing I want you to really pay attention to is the sleeve. The band will be attaching to the sleeve. When joining the band to the sleeve, ensure that the pattern we are working with aligns. So you can see right here, I've joined the band as seen, and this part facing up right now will be the part that will be intact with the right side of the hijab gown, because that is where the pattern aligns, right? That is what I am showing you right now. So you join it. You can see the magic we're making with 3 yards, right? Trust me, this hijab really came out beautiful. One thing about this channel is that anything we are making is what we'll be showing you. We don't show you something else entirely, and I wouldn't teach you guys what I don't know. So you have come to the right channel if this is your first time here, and if you are still watching till this moment and you are yet to subscribe, it will be good if you hit the subscribe button so as not to miss out when we have new and amazing content for you. So this is what we did after fixing the band. Then we joined the side of the gown all the way down. I repeated the same thing for the other sleeve as well, and then I weaved the down part of the hijab And that is the magic we made with this beautiful fabric. Yes, it came out really beautiful. I'm so pained that I forgot to make a video of it after fixing the beads, but trust me, it came out really beautiful. So this is what we have. Do let me know in the comment section if you'd be recreating this for yourself. And the hand sleeve as well. If you want to learn how to make the hand sleeves, we have a class on that. So do send us a DM to register for the class. Thank you for watching, and I would be happy to see you in the next one. Do remember to support this channel by sending us gifts. Leave a comment, tell your friends and loved ones about Kenso YouTube channel, and remember to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.